The concept behind Steel Manager is simple. Digitize the complete management of your workshop, including manual workstations. Thanks to algorithms specifically designed for the steel construction industry, Steel Manager automatically generates bar cutting and plate nesting. Our solution is also compatible with your existing software. If you're already using bar cutting or nesting tools, Steel Manager can easily interface with them. It also integrates seamlessly with all machine manufacturers and design software. All parameters from your CNC machines, as well as those from your manual operations, are centralized in Steel Manager. This allows for the automatic generation of a production routing for each part and assembly, taking real-time machine load into account. Steel Manager directly controls your machines using the data stored in the system. Feedback is automatic, enabling precise production tracking, whether through customizable KPI dashboards or directly on the 3D model, with a color-coded system for produced parts. No need to worry about how to produce efficiently anymore. Steel Manager takes care of it for you.